Welcome, this is Mudrick from Country Loft Quilt Design, and today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step installation process for the new AutoPilot Mach3 software. Before we start the installation process, please be sure that your 25-foot USB printer communication cord is installed and plugged in. Also, be sure to remove all dongles from the computer. To begin the installation process, there is a small button on the right-hand side of the computer screen that ejects the CD-ROM holder. Please insert the CD-ROM and press the holder back into the computer. Now double-click on this PC or my computer. Now double-click on the DVD drive, which will open up the AutoPilot M3 Install Shield wizard. Then click Next. We are going to accept the terms of the license agreement. Then click Next again. Followed by Install. The Install Shield wizard has successfully installed the AutoPilot M3 software. Once you click Finished, a prompt will appear to check for controller software updates. Click OK. First, the firmware for the white box needs to be updated. Go ahead and click OK. It is crucial to pay specific attention to the next on-screen instructions. Please read carefully. The firmware downloader box will appear and will automatically assign the port and baud rates. Please select Start Download. Now please power down your white box underneath your table. Only when you verified your white box is powered down, please click OK. After you click OK, please power up the white box within 60 seconds. The white box is now up to date. Please press OK. Now the firmware downloader wants to update the sew head. Click OK. The firmware downloader will appear again and automatically select the port and baud rates. Please select Start Download. Now please power down your sew head. Only when you verified your sew head is powered down, please click OK. Once you click OK, please power up the sew head within 60 seconds. The sew head controller is up to date. Now the prompt wants us to update the lightning screens. With the front of the SD card facing you, please insert into the computer. The SD card window will appear. Feel free to close it. In the Updater window, please select Browse for SD card. Navigate and double-click on this PC. Then double-click on SD card and click OK. Back in the Updater screen, please click Download. The Updater screen now gives you a series of instructions. Please follow carefully and complete the task. Then click Check. A window will appear and says the application is up to date. A new Mach3 window will appear and our installation is almost complete. Please locate your serial number inside your CD case. Please input the 16-digit code, including the dashes and all capped letters. Then click Submit. Your Mach 3 serial number has now been registered. Let's launch the program. The next step will automatically import your pattern collection. If you have a green encryption dongle, please plug it in now. Inside the program, please select Yes, and your AutoPilot Mach 3 will automatically import your patterns and pattern tags. When installation is complete, please press OK. Your AutoPilot Mach 3 software is now installed. These next two steps are advanced Windows configurations to ensure your Windows is operating correctly. Please double-click on this PC, then the C drive. In the C drive, please double-click Program Files x86. Then double-click on ABM Software, and then AutoPilot. Please navigate to the AutoPilot application, then right-click to open the context menu and then select Properties. In the AutoPilot Properties window, please select Compatibility. Under the Compatibility tab, please make sure there's a check mark in the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply. Finally, exit the AutoPilot properties and the AutoPilot folders. Back at the desktop, please double-click Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, please locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then expand the selection by clicking the small gray arrow to the left of it. Under the Universal Serial Bus Controllers, you will see 3 generic USB hubs. We will be working with all 3. Please right-click on the first generic USB hub to open the context menu, then click Properties. In the generic USB hub properties, please click the Power Management tab. Under the Power Management tab, please make sure there's no check in the box next to Allows the computer to turn off the device to save power. Then click OK. Now follow those same steps for the next 2 generic USB hubs properties. Under Power Management, please make sure that the check mark is not in the box next to Allows the computer to turn off the device to save power. Thanks for watching. It was a pleasure to walk you through the installation process of the AutoPilot Mach 3 software. If you have any questions, please post them below.